Hello friends, I am Navdeep. So today's cue card is describe a time when a family member asks for your help or describe a time when you helped someone. Well, before we get started, let's discuss some vocab words which I'm gonna use in this cue card. Alright, number 1, traumatic, which means emotionally disturbing or something extremely shocking and upsetting. For example, when her 2 years old son died, it was the most traumatic event in her life. Next word is prior. Whenever you have to say 2 years back, my all friends gave me a surprise on my birthday, you just replace the word back with prior. 2 years prior, my all friends gave me a surprise on my birthday. A year prior, I was enjoying my trip, whereas today I am at my home because of COVID-19. Number 3, fathom. This means understand. If you want to say, I don't understand why he doesn't like me, you just replace the word understand with fathom. I don't fathom why he doesn't like me. Number 4, turn blind eye. This means ignore. For ignore, turn blind eye. Ignoring, turning blind eye. Ignored, turned blind eye. For example, she is turning blind eye towards what I want to say. I turned blind eye to those people in party who were against to me in my tough time. I turn blind eye to him whenever he is around me. Number 5, we have cry over spilt milk. To express regret about something that had already happened or cannot be changed. For example, you have lost the game, but don't cry over spilt milk. It's useless to cry over spilt milk. Number 7, jaw dropping. That means amazing in a shocking way. An example, I was jaw dropping while I visited her garden because it was so beautiful. Number 8, indolent. This means lazy. An example, he is an indolent man who doesn't do any physical activity. Number 9 is seize the opportunity. To take advantage of the opportunity. For example, we get an amazing offer and now we shouldn't waste time, we should seize the opportunity. Number 10, obstacle. This means a problem which stops progress or which prevents one's growth. For example, we always have number of obstacles when we think to do something new. Number 11, no clue. This means no idea or don't know. If you want to say, I don't know what's my mother cooking, you can say, I have no idea or I have no clue what's my mother cooking. Number 12 is innumerable, and this means many or a lot. We can also use countless, various, plenty of or plethora of. For example, we always have innumerable obstacles when we think to do something innovative or new. I have innumerable ideas to start a new business. Next, we have a piece of cake. This means very easy. Listening module is a piece of cake in IELTS. Number 14, electronic gadget like calculator, mobile phone, laptop, or any other modern gadget. You can also use smart devices or smart gadget instead of electronic gadget. Alright, let's get started with the sample answer. When individuals have been through a traumatic event, one of the first places many people turn for help is to their loved ones or family members. Today I would like to talk about a time when my mother asked me for help. 5 years prior, an incident happened with my mother. Actually, my mother is a businesswoman and she has been selling her products since 2011. 5 years back, when customers recommended to my mother that she should send them latest pictures of her products, because in this way it would be more convenient for customers to reach their desirable products. Well, obstacle was that my mother had no clue how to use a smartphone. I insisted her innumerable times that she should learn at least how to send messages, pictures on WhatsApp and Facebook apps. This would make her work a piece of cake, as almost everyone was active on social media. Nevertheless, she didn't fathom what I was suggesting to her On the contrary, she scolded me that I was becoming a phone addictor, so I should start concentrating on my studies. Well, as usual, she turned blind eye towards learning new electronic gadgets. Therefore, even I didn't force her to learn some basics of smartphone. Moreover, once I was in the playground to enjoy a badminton game with my best friend and I forgot my phone at home. My mother took my phone and started using it. Unfortunately, what she did, she took her a random picture, and obviously that was a random picture which was looking quite worst, and forwarded it to all the contact on WhatsApp. When everyone started replying on that picture, then my mother realized that something she has done wrong. Further, while I came back to home, my mother requested me to help her to gain knowledge regarding uses of smartphone. I was jaw dropping after watching a sudden change in her behavior. Apart from this, when I checked the phone, then I comprehended that why my mother was looking so nervous and embarrassed. I calmed her down because it was useless of crying over spilt milk. Besides this, I seized the opportunity to educate my mother about smart devices. The amazing thing was that she was not indolent to learn as she used to be before, and today with my help, she is also running online business successfully.